Now next topic is fertilization. The process of fusion of the two gametes, that is the sperm and the ovum, is called fertilization. ऐसी process जिसमें fusion होता है दो gametes का, the first one is sperm and the next one is ovum, that process is called fertilization. When the sperm from the male reproductive organ fuses with the ova or ovum in the female's reproductive organ, they form another cell known as the zygote. जब sperm male reproductive organ से fuse करता है ova से, तो वो एक another cell बनाते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं zygote. The ovum is released from the ovary only once in a month in a female's body by a process called ovulation. Ovum release करता है, ovum release होता है कहाँ से? From the ovary से. मंथ में एक ही बार उस प्रोसेस को क्या बोलते हैं? Ovulation. The ovum moves into the oviduct, which is also known as fallopian tube. Now, during sexual intercourse, the male transfers his sperms into the vagina through the penis. Male क्या transfer करता है? Sperms कहाँ पे? Into the vagina through the penis. Once they enter the female's reproductive organ, these sperms start to travel through a narrow opening called the cervix into the uterus and then to the oviduct. जब भी एक बार sperms enter हो जाते हैं vagina में, तो वो sperms कहाँ travel करते हैं फिर? cervix में into the uterus और फिर वो oviduct में जाते हैं. Out of the millions of sperms that are released into the female reproductive tract, only a single sperm fuses with the ovum in the oviduct, which results in the fertilized egg. बहुत सारे sperms release होते हैं, लेकिन एक ही sperm fuse करता है ovum के साथ in the oviduct, जो हमें क्या result करता है? एक fertilized egg. You can see over here in this particular diagram. The fertilized egg, that is the zygote, begins to undergo nuclear and cell division over and over again to form a ball of cells. जो fertilized egg होता है, जिसको हम zygote बोलते हैं, वो nuclear division में जाता है और बहुत सारा क्या बनाता है? एक बॉल बनाता है cells की. Now the first cell division forms a 2-cell stage. ऐसे ही 2 cell 4 cell बनते हैं, 4 cell से 8 cells बनते हैं, तो division carry on रहता है. The division continues कब तक? And the cells arrange themselves into a fluid-filled ball known as blastocyst. The blastocyst then sinks into the soft walls of the uterus. This process in which the zygote attaches itself into the uterine wall is called implantation. ऐसी process जिसमें zygote attach होता है to the uterine wall. The zygote grow करता है zygote and divides repeatedly to develop into an embryo. If the ovum does not fuse with the sperm, अगर ovum fuse नहीं होता है sperm से, it is expelled from the uterus along with some uterine tissues and blood. That is known as menstruation. In human beings, since fertilization takes place inside the female's body, it is called internal fertilization. Female body के अंदर fertilization होती है, तो इस process को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Internal fertilization. और बहुत सारे vertebrates में fertilization takes place outside the body, which is called external fertilization. Now, advantages of internal fertilization are that the number of gametes required is less, since the fertilization takes place within the body and the female takes sufficient care until the fetus develops within the body, thus ensuring the safety of the fetus. Advantages ये हैं कि हमें जो number of gametes है वो बहुत कम चाहिए होते हैं. Disadvantage of internal fertilization. Disadvantage क्या है internal fertilization की? Is that there are chances of transmission of diseases from the mother to the fetus in case the mother is suffering from infectious disease. Disadvantage ये है कि disease हो सकती है mother से fetus में if mother is suffering from any disease. Advantages of external fertilization are that a male can deposit sperms at a slightly different time and location, and the female does not have to take care of the young ones and bring them up. Advantages ये हैं external fertilization की कि female को ज़्यादा protective नहीं होना पड़ता अपने young ones के लिए. Disadvantages of external fertilization are that more number of gametes is produced in the individuals to ensure reproductive success. Disadvantages ये हैं external fertilization में कि gametes बहुत ज़्यादा चाहिए होते हैं. This requires extra energy, which is Disadvantages to the animal. बहुत सारी एनर्जी चाहिए होती है इसमें. Several gametes die before fertilization, and even if they make it up to the fertilization stage, और अगर वो जी भी जाए fertilization stage तक पहुंच भी जाए, the embryo may be destroyed by other animals like predators.